Everyone needs to understand options, including investors, entrepreneurs, CEOs, and CFOs, because it affects all of our lives. And options can make us a fortune or help to protect us from losing everything. Now, when you invest in stocks, it's offensive as you're trying to make money. But when you invest in options, it's offensive and defensive as you can protect your money as well. And did you know that the size of the global options and derivatives markets is 6 times bigger than the size of all stock markets? In this course, I will teach you from scratch everything you need to know about options so you can take your investing game to the next level. I will also provide you with many comprehensive and fun to use Excel spreadsheets so that you can thoroughly enjoy, understand, and practice investing in options from scratch with me. Now, I've used options a lot in my career. When I worked at hedge fund giant Citadel, also when I worked at Goldman Sachs in the venture capital sector, and as a student when I did my MBA in finance from Columbia University, where I humbly got the top grade in my class in my options course. Now, I love to teach based on my real-life practical experience and to make options very easy and so much fun to learn in this very comprehensive course. And no prior knowledge of options or stocks or how to invest is required to take this course, as there are 3 tracks, meaning 3 different ways to take this course. There's a beginner track, a genius track, meaning an advanced track, and there's also a very comprehensive all track, where students can watch all beginner and genius level lesson videos and exercise videos, plus many optional lessons and exercise videos. Now, this course contains hundreds of videos, and there are so many ways to take and benefit from many or all of the lectures in this course. And I want you to think of me as your very humble waiter. And when you go to a restaurant, you only order what you're interested in on the menu. Now, in this course, the menu items include everything you need to know about options, as well as many additional topics like how to go long or short a stock, or options, long and short as well, or commodities or ETFs, or what are other derivative products like swaps, futures, forwards, and how to do fundamental or valuation or technical based analysis on stocks and companies, and how to learn statistics and data analysis from scratch in order to take your investing game to the next level. There's a lot to it. I even teach you in an optional section how to use Excel from scratch, as I've used Excel on Wall Street, in the consulting industry, and in the hedge fund industry and venture capital sectors as well over a couple decades. I'm clearly dating myself there. So this very comprehensive options course is several courses in one. Now, in this course, I provide you with mini Excel spreadsheets so you can learn everything you need to know about options, including an introduction to options, how to value options using 3 different valuation methodologies, and there's also more than 35 strategies in the third part of this course that we'll create together that use either 1, 2, 3, or 4 options in a single strategy. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the basic building blocks of options, and we'll build upon what we've learned together using many very fun props until we have this incredible aha moment and it all makes perfect sense. Now, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee on this course, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. This will be easy and fun, and I'll see you in class. Thank you.